Okay, for those of you that want to know more about an oscillating multi-tool, this is my Makita. Unfortunately, it's the only one I have. You have adjustable speed right there. Pretty simple. Change blades, pop that up, pop the blade on, slide the catch back in, drop it down. This is a Makita blade. It's got a depth gauge on it. And if those of you saw from the other video, I had a hook blade on it and it cut cardboard, really nice. And that blade basically took the place of a utility knife, because it'll cut linoleum, cardboard. This one is a wood blade. You can get metal blades also. So now, as you can see, wood blade, 4 amp hour battery. And on this piece, I've got a line here. I made it easy because I made it the same size as the blade. Eyes, ears protection. It's a very dangerous tool. You got to make sure you have it under control. See, notch that out. All right, for this demonstration, I've got the sanding end in it. Take your, in this instance, 180 grit. Pop it on there. You also have a grinding bit. So you see, I sanded down the corners of this notch that I made in the last video. And the thing I like about this as a sander, gets into corners, whereas your orbital sander won't, nor will your belt sander.